Although Tableau does a good job at interpreting geographic data, there are times when it cannot determine how to interpret our data properly. Let's look at an example from a data set that shows coffee shop locations in Connecticut. We will begin by dragging county onto the work area and change the visualization type to map. We can see that Tableau has created a visualization for counties in Connecticut, but there seems to be something missing. If we look closely at the bottom right corner of the visualization, we can see that Tableau has identified 3 problems. If we click on this, Tableau will display a window that gives us options to correct the problems. We have a few different options to solve our problem. One option is to click on State and select the Fixed option when we know the information that will fix the problem. Here we select Connecticut and click OK. Tableau will now correct the problems in our visualization, which now displays all the counties for Connecticut. We can confirm this by dragging county onto the label in the marks area to display the name for each county. Next, we will explore another way to solve a mismatch problem. We will begin by dragging the city dimension onto the work area. Tableau shows that there are 21 problems now. We will open the window to correct these problems. This time, when we click on State, we will select From Field to tell Tableau which field to use to correct the problem, in this case, State. When we do this, Tableau will update the visualization and show our data correctly. We can now continue to build our visualization. Another problem sometimes occurs when the values in our data need to be adjusted. We can look at an example from data on the life expectancy for countries in Europe. In our data, we have a country column that Tableau recognizes as a geographic data type. We can build our visualization by dragging country onto the work area. Tableau updates the visualization showing colors for every country in Europe except Germany. If we examine our original data, it may not be clear what the problem is. We can click on the problem button at the lower right corner to find a solution. Tableau displays a window to edit the location. We can see that our data is not being recognized by Tableau. This is because the entry for Germany has additional text coming from our original data source. We can correct this problem by clicking on the red text Unrecognized and selecting the correct data from the menu. Tableau now updates the map correctly, and we can continue to build our visualization. There are times when our data will include unneeded information that causes problems when we build geographic visualizations. For example, we have data on US population that has a column called Name. We can tell Tableau to use this column as State for the geographic role. However, when we attempt to use this in our visualization, Tableau tells us that there are 5 problems. When we look closer, Tableau indicates that some of our data is unrecognized. This is because the data included some regional data along with individual state data. In a case like this, a good solution is to filter out the data from our visualization. We can do this by first clicking on Cancel and click on 5 problems again. Now we select Filter Data to remove the unrecognized data from our visualization. We can now continue building our visualization.